Hello. So I'm making a website for Professor Sperry, and I am doing it on Halloween. And so I thought it'd be fun to set up a Halloween font and show how that would be installed. So I just have a Pages document opened here and looking through the regular fonts, and I had already downloaded this one. This is a Halloween font, and it's a little more fun, a little more festive, a little, just good to use for the season. But I wanted to show you how to do a different one if you wanted something a little more funky. So I usually go to the 1001freefonts.com, and they organize their fonts alphabetically, and they also do it by topic or holiday. So you'll see here they have the Halloween option, and I already pre-picked out one that I liked, and it was this one, little spooky little spiders. And so I, free for personal use, I click on the download. I go to my download option. And I just double click. There's usually let me try this down for you. It's original design, free for personal nonprofit use, yay. And so I double click on the font, move that down a little bit, and I click on install. And then it should be here for me to use. And there it is. So that's my little screencast on how to search for and install a fun font for the holidays.